So here's another interesting tip you should know about. Now, I've written a complex command over here. This is a very nice command on a Mac because sometimes I run should I call them out like these big electron apps? I'm not going to name them, but you might know what they are. That just kill your CPU, right? I mean, I start like a video conference and my fan goes nuts. My MacBook Pro turns into a MacBook hot air. So the thing is, this allows me to check the temperature of my CPU. So let's see what happens when I hit enter. It says power metrics must be invoked as the super user. Now, well, you may know that there's a command called sudo. So what am I expected to do over here? Open this command again. Now go to the beginning of this line, and of course I can use the option key to go back and forth, right? Okay, that's fine. But I can also say Control A to move to the very beginning, Control E to move to the very end. This is very useful. And then I can just say Control A and type sudo, and this will work, okay? So that's not the point. But the cool thing is with sudo, I hit Control C to get out of that. The cool thing here is that I can simply say sudo double exclamation mark to run the previous command as sudo. So it just fills this out for me, as you see. I'm gonna hit enter. And if I haven't run sudo in a while, it'll ask me for a password. But since I just entered sudo for something else, it is now telling me that my CPU die temperature is that, and it refreshes. Another thing you can do is you can use a another command called watch, and then this can be just like a display that refreshes itself. So there are various tips and tricks, and I encourage you to explore this power metrics a little bit further because there is a lot of things you can stay on top of. Like how is your disk behaving, network, various thermals, GPU, a lot of interesting information there. All right, sudo, and all of these other various tips I shared here.